As state legislatures move to legalize cannabis for recreational use, the mainstream discussion remains unusually one-sided regarding the plan's benefits versus consequences. One America's Rion has more from Washington.
Award-winning New York Times investigative journalist Alex Berenson told One America News the scientific community is alarmed at the mounting evidence linking cannabis use and psychosis, but the powerful cannabis lobby have shut down the drug skeptics, while big media watches silently on.
The cannabis lobby has been screaming reefer madness for 30 years at anybody who tries to discuss the science, and they've intimidated a lot of people. They've been geniuses about this. They've framed this as a racial and social justice issue rather than a public health issue.
Cannabis and insanity have been linked for hundreds of years, while hard data goes back more than a century. Since then, says Berenson, evidence linking cannabis to psychotic disorders have only crystallized.
But it's astonishing to me that we have this hard evidence from 130 years ago. And then more recently, so in the last 30 to 40 years, the studies showing that cannabis use, especially in teenagers, is linked to psychosis and schizophrenia have just piled up.
Though still classified an illegal Schedule I drug by the FDA, 30 states have legalized marijuana or medical marijuana.
There's a real tragedy and irony here in that we're moving to legalize now, just as the evidence has really piled up.
Berenson's wife, a Harvard-trained psychiatrist, alerted him to correlations she saw daily between violent crimes and cannabis. Berenson then wrote Tell Your Children, outlining the dangers of cannabis as documented by the scientific community. Berenson's book received rave reviews from top figures in medicine, but then a curious media blackout ensued.
What really disappoints me as a former Times reporter is that reporters are supposed to be skeptical. There's an old line in the investigative reporting business that if your mother says she loves you, check it out. What bothers me about this drug is not the drug, it's the lies around the drug.
Berenson supports classifying cannabis as a drug for further research, but warns blind acceptance of cannabis may have irreversible effects on the nation's mental health. Rion, One America News, Washington.
Want to see more videos like this? Click on the link below and subscribe to One America News on YouTube, and call your cable provider and kindly demand that One America News is added to your lineup. Call and subscribe today.